Hello guys, so we have to start by the first exercise of integration. So this is the first problem. So this problem should be solved with rationalization, where we are going to multiply this with the conjugate of this, that is the same denominator, by replacing the minus sign with plus sign. Okay, as in the screen the space is little less, I'm going to adjust it so that you can understand it better. Okay, so the first step will be to take -2 common and to multiply the numerator and the denominator with root 5x minus 4 plus root 5x minus 2. So as you can see, that I have replaced the minus sign with plus sign. So when we are going to multiply this in the denominator as well as in the numerator, the denominator will be this is a. If you consider this as a, this whole thing as a, and this as b, this also will be a and b, which is simply a multiplication of a minus b and a plus b, and the numerator is going to be this as it is. So I'll just write the next step. You can refer the previous. If you don't understand this, you can return to the yes, if you can't understand this, you can rewind this and you can see what I've told you again, to so that you can understand how we got to this step. So after taking -2 common, it will be 5x minus 4 in square root plus 5x minus 2 divided by a square. So this as I was telling, this is a and this is b. So a square by minus b square will the square root are going to get cancelled, and it will be 5x minus 4 in minus 5x minus 2. Okay, so the next step will be -2 as it is, square root 5x minus 4 plus square root 5x minus 2 divided by 5x minus 4 minus 5x plus 2. (5x minus 4 plus 5x plus 2), right? Plus 5x minus 5x are going to get cancelled, and you can see -4 and 2, it will -4 plus 2 is -2, and this 2 is going to get cancelled by this one. So what is remaining here is 5x minus 4 plus 5x minus 2, both are in square roots. Okay, so the next one, so we can write it the square root in the power form, that is 5x minus 4 to the power 1 by 2 dx. I'm separating the integration, plus, as it was plus sign in between the two square roots, plus integration of 5x minus 2 whole bracket 1 by 2 dx. So we know the formula that ax plus b raised to n is equal to ax plus b raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and this is multiplied by coefficient of x. So whatever the coefficient of this x is going to get multiplied over here. That is the formula. Okay, so by integrating this, we are going to get 5x minus 4 whole raised to 3 by 2, because 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 was n over there, so 1 by 2 plus 1 is going to be 3 by 2, and the same power we had to divide here and multiplied with coefficient of this x, that is 5, plus 5x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 5. Okay, so in the next step, it is going to be the denominator will become 15 by 2, which will get a reciprocal, sorry, so it will be 2 by 15, 5x minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 plus again 2 by 15, 5x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2. In the last step, you can take this 2 by 15 common and write 2 by 15 common in bracket. Again there will be a circular bracket, 5x minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2. And that will be the answer. Always remember that this is an indefinite integration, so when we have found the integration itself, you should always add plus c to it, that you are going to understand in the definite integration that what this c is. Okay, next. Next question is 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial. This is the function that we have to integrate with respect to x. So I'll write the answer. So this is a fairly easy question. Only one thing you should know is what does this sign stands for. So 1 factorial is equal to 1, 2 factorial is equal to 1 into 2, 3 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, 4 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So that is what this sign, it looks like an exclamatory sign, and in mathematics it is called as a factorial sign. It is also written like this. So this is also 1 factorial, or this is 7 factorial. So this 7 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. So that is what you should know in this example, or otherwise integration part is fairly easy. So I'll just explain. As it's integration of 1 plus x square divided by 1 into 2 is 2 only, the whole bracket multiplied with dx. So integrating, you can directly integrate this as x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 into 2 as it is plus c. So that is the answer. Next. Next one is this. So generally we do not solve any integration of a rational function directly, as we used to solve in the differentiation. We used to use u by v method for differentiation, but in integration we don't have that kind of method. For differentiation we have to make some adjustments, but there is no direct method for a rational function. So rational function is two functions in ratio, like you can see 3x cube minus 2 root x is a function, then divided by x is a function, so it forms a ratio, like 1 by 2 is a ratio, 3 by 2 also is a ratio, like that. So we have to make some adjustments over here, and that's what you always should look for. So here we can separate the denominator as it is common, so we can write integration of 3x cube divided by x minus 2 root x divided by x, and both are integrated with respect to x. So as you know, this dx is a very small part of x, that is very small part of x, so that's what we integrate the function with. So the next thing is we can cancel the powers. I'll change the pen. So this x gets cancelled with this, and x square remains here. And for this part, I'll just explain in brief. This is root x divided by x. It means root x can be written in the power form as x raised to 1 by 2, right? And x can be written as x to the power 1. We know the rules of indices. Okay, so in that, if the base is same, it is in a rational form, so what we can do is we can subtract the powers. So x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, that is what this is going to become, which is x raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this whole thing is going to be x raised to minus 1 by 2, right? And this is going to be x square. So I'll rewrite. You just have to write these steps, which is followed by the equal to sign. This part is, you can write in the margins of your book or somewhere rough, but this part is very important for your basic fundamental understanding. So after this, what we are remained with the third step, it will be